Hi guys, this is Sadik from Rodman.com. In this video, we'll show you how to install any APK file on Samsung Galaxy Watch. So as you might be aware, the debug over Wi-Fi has now been removed from the watch. So we will now have to use a new approach that involves the pair with pairing code, IP address and the port number to install any APK file onto your watch. And so let me show you how that will be done. First off, install the APK file of VR Installer 2 onto your phone, not the watch, only on the phone. So install the APK file from the Play Store. VR Installer 2 app, this is the app, and tap on install. It will now install onto your phone in a few seconds. Once that is done, simply launch the app as well onto your phone, but don't do anything, just launch it for now and tap on OK. Now go to your watch, and on your watch, the first thing should be done is to go to the display and increase the time limit of the display, the screen timeout. So go to settings and from here go to display, because if you don't do so and if your watch gets turned off, then the port number will change and that will lead to quite a lot of issue. So always go to display, screen timeout and choose 1 minute. And now we are on the safe zone. Once that is done, go back, and from the settings menu, scroll down to the software update, scroll down to about watch, and from there go to software information, which is over here. Then tap on software version 7 times. You get a prompt that dev option is now turned on. So go back, and now go to dev options, and now go to wireless debugging. From first off, turn on ADB debugging, tap on check mark, scroll down. Now go to wireless debugging and enable the wireless debugging toggle. You'll get a prompt, tap on allow, and the wireless debugging is now turned on. Now go to your phone as well, just give me a second, and make sure that it's on the app for now. If you get a prompt, just tap on OK. And on your watch, first off, scroll down on your watch and tap on pair new device. You will now get a IP address, Wi-Fi pairing code and the port number, as you can now see. So first off, type in the IP address which is shown on your watch. In our case, it's the 192.168.1.15, everything before the colon, not after the colon. So it's 192.168.1.15. So let me type in 1.5 at the very end over here. Rest are the same. Then tap on done. Once that is done, now you have to tap on the hover icon at the top right and select pair with watch, and now tap on the button of enable at the bottom left. Now you have to type in the pairing code as well as the pairing port. So in my watch, the pairing code is the 812962, as you could see, and the port is the 34459, as you could see, 534459. So let's type in both the numbers. First off, type in the pairing code, give a space, then type in the port. So the pairing code in our case is 812962. Now give a space and type in the pairing port, which in our case is 34459. So 34459. You could see in my phone as well. If that's all well and good, tap on done. Will now try to pair on your phone, and it's successfully paired. Once that is done, you now get a new section over here. As you could see, this new section is asking for the port number. So now the port number is different. This is the port number which is next to the IP address. Let me show you on my watch. So now have a look at the port number next to the IP address section, which is this one, and not inside this pair new device. We are not going there. Simply we are going in the IP address and port number, and now you have to type in the port number which is shown over here. So this time around the port number is 46371. So type in this port number on our phone as well, 46371, as you could see now, and then tap. This is the same port number. Now tap on enter. Okay, don't tap enter, just tap on done. And after that, go to the side of custom APK, choose the APK file which you have, which in my case is in the download folder. Let me choose Instagram Lite app APK, Instagram Lite, which is this one. You should get a prompt. It's not for the Wear OS APK, it's all normal. Just tap on continue. It will establish a connection on your watch, and you might get a prompt as well. So you could see it's now established a connection via the watch. Let's first unlock the watch as well, and it's all done and dusted. So that's Wi-Fi established onto our watch and the phone. That's all well and good. Tap on install. The APK will now be sent onto our phone, onto our watch, and be established, and then it will be installed onto our watch as well. It will take a few more seconds depending on the file size. The app is now installed onto our watch. So you tap on finish if required. And now let's have a look at the APK file onto our watch. Instagram Lite APK file should be somewhat here only. This is the APK file. You will now launch it and use it as required. So the process is quite easy. I'll tell you once again how to get the entire job done. Just to be on the safer side, I'll explain you once again. You could now see the app is now loading onto our watch. So you could now choose the language as well and get the job done. But for now, let's try to install any other app as well. I'll show you once again how to get the job done from scratch. Just to be on the safer side, I'll show you once again. So on your watch, first off, go to the settings menu, then software update, then about watch, software information, tap on the software version 7 times, which is over here. Tap on the software version 7 times. This will enable the dev options. Once that is done, go back, and from there you have to go to the dev options, enable ADB debugging, then enable wireless debugging from here. Now first off, tap on pair new device. You will get a IP address and the port number. You have to establish a connection from there. So let me show you once again how to get the job done from scratch. So first off, we have to use the IP and the port number from here, and the next time we will then use the IP address from the above section. But for the first time usage, always use the port number from the pair new device section. From the next time onwards, you simply use the port from this section. Keep this point in mind always. So for example, I will show you from scratch once again how to get the job done. First of all, let's turn off auto rotate. It's not well and good. Tap on OK. And if you have already established a connection on your phone, which we have done already, then from the next time onwards, you don't have to use this section of the pair new device. Don't go here every time because we already established a Wi-Fi connection with our phone and the watch. So no need to go there every time. From the next time onwards, simply type in the port number over here onto watch, which is the 46371. In my case, 46371. Type in this over here and just tap on done. Choose an APK file. Let's say this is files app. Continue. Install. Will now install onto your phone, onto your watch. Will take a few seconds. So let's wait for that to complete. It will take a few more seconds. And then you could see it's now installed onto our watch. So let's have a look at that as well. Go back to the home screen. And the Files Go app is now over here. You want to launch it and just tap on OK. And easily use the app onto your phone without an issue whatsoever. So guys, just to repeat once again, the most important part is this. For the first time which you are using the app, for the first time setup, always use this option. Okay, let me show you once again. The settings menu. For the first time usage, go to dev options, tap on pair device with pairing code under wireless debugging, and use the IP address and the port number from this section only, just for the first time. But from the next time onwards, don't go over here. From the next time, simply use the port number which is given over here, which is the 46371 in our case. So always keep this point in mind, and then you will be able to install the APK with ease. So that is all from this video. If you have any query with regard to any of the steps, let me know in the comment section. And thanks a lot for watching.